Good morning, my baby. Yummy? Oh, careful.
Is it yummy?
Okay, that's your cheese whiz burrito. What you gonna say to mama?
Really?
You're welcome.
Yeah,
We're going to the beach.
Yeah, I know.
And it's peanut butter jelly time.
Up, guys. Welcome to my channel. Go. We're at the beach now. Yay. Can I see, Papa?
See what?
Can I see what you're doing?
I'm taking a video.
Myself, I'll take a video of you.
Okay, here. Yeah, here. Hold it properly. Hold it with your two hands like that. There you go.
Hello, guys. Let's go. If it's wet,
Yeah, it means it's recording.
oh my God, it's recording the wetness. It's recording the wet.
Give it to me.
I want to record it.
Yeah. Four.
1,
One.
2, 3, 4. Okay, you're safe. You're safe.
I didn't got eaten by the snake.
Mama's turn. 250. Ano? Yan na. Sige. Sige, kuya. Tapos pa.
Pati sa dalawa.
Ipis.
Manipis. Not ipis.
Pag kinain mo yun, masusugat.
What? Ice cream? Yeah, you already ate ice cream. Thanks, Bebu. Okay, you close it. Okay, lock it.
Hindi naman ba ito?
Not sure. Morning, Bebu. So we're cooking pork chop and then later magka-adobo tayo. Baon sa island hopping. May rice pa ba? On our way to the jump off for island hopping sa tourism office. Arian, stay here na. This is their terrace.
20 na, 20. Oh, bitaw. Walang ba? Ano ba? Di naman wala. Tataw na kapon.
Oh! Baka madala si Bebo. Arion. Where are you going, Arion?
Now we're talking.
Bebo, smile. This is a video. Come here. Arian, come here, Nak. Mama's hungry. And
Wait, ito pa. See, you're floating, see? Don't worry. Mama yung ano.
Mama!
See? You're floating. It needs to be tight because the water will come in.
Habang nagsiswimming sila, order tayo ng food. Saan ba? Dito. Dito.
Yeah, I did it. Kaya nga. Sarap matulog eh.
Nakakantok yung tunog.
You're not allowed to swim there. Magkano bayad sa pool? 150. Isang tao? Isang lang. Lagi dalawa. Tabing dagat to. Sana. Next year. Regular na ako. Planuin natin yan na maganda.
Coconut.
Yan ba talaga yun?
Oh, bakit?
Wala lang, kapag ginaganon ko parang masyadong malapit.
Ah, naka-linear kasi to.
Kamay na.
Oo, bilis. May tricycle oh. What do you want to eat?
Oh, there's no spam here. Parang masarap to.
The spam is in the house.
Ito yung pinaka-pogi nating papa.
Bakit may iba ba?
Ha?
May iba ba?
Wala. The one and only. Entrance fee for adult 75, senior citizen 60, PWD 60. Si Bebu for the first time, meron na siyang payment. 20 pesos. Ah, may kayaking din.
You want to eat while walking?
Pogi, Bebu.
You gonna wear it?
Oh, you wear it na. Okay. Let's go.
Don't look down, just look straight. But what were you expecting? You face mama first.
Hi guys, we're at Bantayan. I'm really scared of the bridge. Can you like and subscribe?
Come sweet. Dito siya nag-soul searching nung naghiwalay kami. Char. Let's go, let's walk. Oh, you drink water and then let's walk. Come here.
Talking station ulit tayo din eh. Punta ako dito, diba?
I gave you a pet.
Iba tayo na nun? Feb yun eh.
Feb ba?
Oo. Feb yun.
Di ba January something?
Okay, let's walk.
Paano ba?
Panis. Panis. Oh, mama.
Stop!
Mas makabagets. Oh. Ay. Panis kayo sa tan lines niyan.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Never give up. I'm just so tired. Never give up.
Yeah, never give up. Someone started.
Never give up until we reach the end.
Correct. Someone started already. Tamad na siya sa buhay
Look
niya.
at the back. Papa, can you wait for me?
Yeah, I can wait for you. At the end. We're almost out
Of the jungle?
of the mangrove tunnel.
Yeah. So, Papa, you're too heavy, so you keep on making that sound. It looks like you're gonna fall.
You want me to throw you? Papa, you're so heavy. And you're making that sound like we're gonna fall.
Ano bang, ano mo? Ang dami.
Isang ano no? 250 grams isang pack. 1, 2. You lose.
You eat, Papa. You eat, Papa.
Where?
You eat, Papa. Yeah. Good job.
Mine.
Wala na yung kabayo niya?
Kinain ko.
Ah.
Pinwesto niya sa harap ko eh.
Okay, you eat, Papa.
You eat, Papa. Oh no, that's Papa's last phone.
I'm taking a video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're playing chess. Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. How great is it? Fun or no? Fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
Uy, talo ko kay Mama.
We're at Batayan and we're gonna actually go at the Batayan room right now if my mom and papa's done playing chess.
Parang hindi. Ang dami.
Magkano ito?
I don't look at that. More sabaw. Put more sabaw.
One shot lang yan. Yung rum coke nyo, isang glass. Tapos anong kahalo nito? Hindi, ano yung alak nyo? Sige nga, isang
You should try this one too.
Jack Daniels, tapos isang